is a clock face. It has the number 12 at the top and moves from left to right. This is called clockwise direction. So from 12, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12. This is the hour hand, shown in red. It's the smallest hand. This tells us the hour we are currently in. And this is the minute hand, shown in red. It's the longest hand. This tells us how many minutes we are into the current hour showing. This starts with the hour hand. This will indicate what hour we are in. For example, this is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. If the hour is in between the two numbers as shown, we will say it's in the 3 o'clock range. We'll explain this shortly. Now, we have the minute hand. This indicates each minute that passes within the hour. So this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes to 1 hour.